Hello friends, I want to show with you quick and easy craft that you can do with your kids. We are making bonfire craft using the materials which is available at home. So all you need for this projects are cardboard, crepe paper, so we need yellow, orange and red color, then twigs, dry leaves, stones, mud, glue and tea light. So take a cardboard and make a circle on it and cut that part. So here is my 4-year-old child applying glue over it. Once he has done with the glue part, he is placing stones at the corners of the cardboard. These are the stones which we collected during our nature walk. We are using that here to make bonfire craft. Now putting some mud inside the stone and on top of the glue. Again applying some glue and placing twigs one by one on top of it. And then placing some dry leaves on top of it. Applying glue over here and placing the crepe paper one on top of the other like this and placing it over here. This is how it should look now. Place tea light inside the crepe paper. That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching and happy parenting.